We are in the biggest productivity revolution that has ever happened on planet Earth right now, thanks to AI. By the way, you better join that revolution right now because we're in a revolution. It's a productivity revolution like you've never seen. Well, that's a hard trend. Will you and your organization join the AI driven productivity revolution? But I do know it's going to continue to unfold and get more powerful at a beyond exponential level every year.
Could you talk a little bit about your background, like how you grew up? I'm actually particularly curious to know if you're somebody that remembers like very early childhood memories and if like they're connected in any way to today.
And you said, I think it's going to take a lot of hard work for us to rewire our thinking. Well, is it hard work or is it exciting work? And personally, I'm excited about getting better at the things I can get better at. By the way, if people are not interested in change and learning new things, they're not going to like the future. And by the way, transformation, which is different than change, is also a hard trend. And by the way, I've started 6 companies, but before that, I taught biology and physics. So I've got a science background. But I also put myself through college playing lead guitar in a rock band. So I'm kind of I play a dozen different musical instruments and so on. So I'm kind of an oddball guy. And when generative AI was first launched several years ago by OpenAI, I was interviewed by a major publication and they said, will humans be replaced by AI? And I said, humans will be replaced by humans using AI.
Yeah.
So the reality is we're talking about a symbiotic relationship. Now I'm pulling on my teaching biology, but let me give you what with AI. But right now, AI knows more about oncology than any living doctor. Or choice number 3, a really good oncologist who has access to AI. By 2040, you'll do everything that you're doing today in 5 hours.